How to craft worm food in Terraria. So first you need to be in the corruption world, the purple biome that you have in your map. But if you're in the crimson world, which is this part of the map, or the red biome, you cannot craft this item naturally. Instead, you would craft the bloody worm food. So to craft it, you need the following ingredients. So you need 30 vile powder, and 15 rotten chunks. And do note that you cannot craft this at a workbench or an anvil. You just basically need to find a demon altar, which is found deep in the chasms of the corruption biome. So here I have a crimson altar, which basically works the same as a demon altar. So just basically stand near the altar, then open up your crafting menu, and as you can see, I can now craft the worm food using 30 vile powder and 30 rotten chunks. So I'm just going to click on it, and as you can see, I now have the worm food to summon the Eater of Worlds. You can also buy it from the Dryad NPC for 1 silver coin each, but only during a blood moon in a corruption world. And once you have your worm food, just go to the corruption biome, then you can now summon the Eater of Worlds. Now if you don't have the corruption biome, you simply need to get some corrupt seeds, then just basically scatter it on the part of the map that you want to spread the corruption biome to. After that, just wait until it spreads out, then now you can summon the Eater of Worlds from that part of the map. And that is how I basically craft the worm food in Terraria.